Hello everyone, in this video we will see what is versioning in S3 and how we can enable it for our files. So first let's understand what versioning is. So basically whenever you upload a file, suppose you have for some file named test.txt, okay, and you have to upload it. So already some file is present with the same name. In that case usually what happens, it gets overwritten, but with versioning enabled it won't happen. It will keep your older version as well. Okay, so this is one benefit we get if you have some sensitive file and you don't want to take a risk, then you can just enable it. And also whenever you delete some file, then also it doesn't delete permanently. First it keeps as a delete marker. So there is one concept of delete marker, so that also we'll see. So for that, first of all, let's create a bucket. So you can just do my bucket and give anything name. It should be unique. And also one option you get, bucket versioning enable. So while creation also you can enable it, and if already you have a bucket, then also you can enable it by going into the properties tab. That I will show you how you can do it. So here my bucket has been created, and if I go here and click on this properties tab, so there you will see bucket versioning. You can just go and edit this version and you will see this bucket, and then you will see the option of enable and disable. Okay, so suspend is option coming up for me. Okay, so just do cancel and let's upload one file. So I have already one file with index.html, so that I'm going to upload 2 times to see the versioning thing. So index.html here I have. So let's scroll down and upload it, and I will do some changes here. So I will just go and remove this line and save it, and then again let's upload again the same file. So just close it, and if I go and upload here, so then you can see the versioning thing, right? So just click on upload. Okay, it has been uploaded. Just close it, and now you will see here the toggle show versions. So this you will show you 2 versions. So file difference also you can see the size 943 is the first one, 909 is the second one. So current this file we have. Okay, so in this way you can see your versions of file. So suppose I am deleting this file. If I go and delete, so okay, now it's going for the permanently delete. That one will not delete, we'll delete the first one which we have deleted. Sorry, okay, this is also going for the permanently delete. That's fine. Okay, okay, let's delete this for one which we have uploaded now. Let's go and delete, and it will delete the permanent version. Okay, we have deleted. Now if I again you will do so version, so you will not see anything. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to again delete this file, and now you will see this okay, delete marker is not showing up. Okay, now I will just close it. Now okay, for this I have to actually delete. So for this you will see delete marker. So we have to do the same. We need to disable the delete that show version toggle, and then we had to do. Okay, that's fine. So now we'll just delete this. Okay, and we'll close it. Then again, now if you do show version, so here you will see some delete marker. Okay, so now if you just delete it, then again what will happen, this version will get restored. So if I just do delete this one and just select this permanently delete, copy and paste, delete objects, let's close it. So now you can see this file index.html. okay, so in this way just you can play with this versioning and delete marker things. So I hope you like this video and you understood the concept of versioning in S3 bucket. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.